What is black magic? Black magic, often known as witchcraft, is the use of supernatural power for evil and selfish purposes, such as performing wicked practices to physically, mentally, or financially ruin someone. It can be done with the victim's hair, clothes, pictures, perfume, dead or live animal, dolls, or by reading mantras directly into their eyes. Black magic is nothing new. It has been used for decades, and as a result, we must exercise extreme caution during this Kali period when you are surrounded by evil eye. Anyone or everything can receive the evil eye. Individuals, animals, plants, and inanimate objects all fall under this category. The evil eye is a word used to describe the process of being tormented by vibrations from another person, which indicates that another person might intentionally or unintentionally afflict us with the evil eye. In today's competitive and materialistic environment, most people suffer from personality flaws including envy, anger, and a desire for attention, spiritually distressed by the vibrations generated by these vices. Getting affected by the evil eye is what this is known as. The distress caused by negative energy such as ghosts, demons, devils, etc. is another sort of evil eye condition. Many people regard the evil eye as pure superstition and an irrational phenomenon. They fail to realize or comprehend how certain parts of the spiritual dimension can have a direct impact on individuals. Individuals with a poor horoscope or malefic planet placement in their horoscopes and low spiritual guidance are easy targets for black magic since their aura is weak. A seeker is someone who strives to grow spiritually on a daily basis in an honest and sincere manner. The 6 essential principles of spiritual practice would instinctively fit to a seeker's spiritual practice. A seeker who has a strong desire for spiritual growth works to improve his or her spiritual practice quantitatively and qualitatively on a regular basis. Here's the process observed when one individual casts an evil eye on another. Creation and activation of desire rings of the 6 internal foes in the individual. Creation and activation of distressing energy ring in the individual. Emission of waves of distressing energy into the environment. Emission of a flow of distressing energy towards the other individual. Creation of entangling bonds of distressing energy around the individual. Emission of activated particles of distressing energy towards the body of the other individual. Creation of a distressing energy covering around the gross body, vital body, mental body, and causal body of the individual. Using hair for black magic. Black magic and hair. Always keep in mind that if you throw your hair outside or anyplace else at random, somebody may do a mantra on it and send negativity your way. Using pictures for black magic. Most of us are unaware that pictures are now the most accessible source, as we all share our photos on social media. Having a personal image is the simplest way to convey a negative evil eye. It can be used for hate, love, revenge, or even to cause death. Using a doll for black magic. The most advanced method of inflicting torture, agony, and misery on a human is to use dolls. It has the potential to make someone accept commands like a puppet. It can inflict agony on the dolls that symbolize the individual by pricking them with nails. Voodoo, for example, is a sophisticated black magic technique, using perfume for black magic. Perfume can be used to attract people to an individual. Typically, it is made by burning up the skeleton's chin, and it will be used as perfume or oil based to an individual to be trapped into spell for life. How to remove it. You can wear specific precautions, meditating, showering with turmeric or 5-7 type of flower, or which will also act as a shield against negativity. The most important, keeping oneself connection with the divine being in clean aura will also help. However, you do not need to be concerned about such matters, but need to be alert on your body energies. Maintain your life's focus and keep going is very important. Before I leave, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching until the very end. I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.